Imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing money flowing into your account without you lifting a finger. Sounds too good to be true, right? But in 2026, with AI and automation, this is not just a dream anymore. Welcome back to Finance and Wealth, the channel where we uncover the smartest ways to grow your money while working less. Before we dive deep, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe because you don't want to miss these life-changing income ideas. And if you stay till the end, I'll also reveal a bonus strategy that most people still don't know about. The first thing you need to understand is that AI is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's here. It's accessible, and it's designed to make our lives easier. Think about it. AI tools can generate digital products, create content, manage social media, even run entire businesses without you needing a single line of code. This means you can start earning passive income whether you're tech-savvy or completely new to technology. One of the easiest ways to start is by creating AI-generated digital products. Imagine selling templates, ebooks, or even stock images created by AI platforms like Canva, ChatGPT, and DALL-E allow you to design high-quality products that sell online. You create it once, list it on marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad, and every time someone buys it, money goes straight to your account. It's literally set it and forget it income.
Next, let's talk about AI-driven content creation. Video content, blogs, social media posts. AI can produce it all. You can use tools that automatically generate videos from text, or even create AI voices that narrate your scripts. Finance and Wealth has been exploring these tools extensively, and the results are amazing. For example, imagine having a YouTube channel that posts short, high-quality content every day without you recording a single video. You write the script once, feed it into the AI tool, and it handles the rest. This not only saves time, but also allows your channel to grow faster because you consistently publishing content. Another powerful method is our AI-powered affiliate marketing. Traditionally, affiliate marketing takes time and effort, creating content, reaching an audience, and driving traffic. But now, AI can write high-converting email sequences, generate engaging social media posts, and even optimize your ad campaigns. By combining AI with automation tools, you can set up a system where products are marketed and sold almost entirely on autopilot. This kind of setup can bring in recurring commissions month after month, while you focus on scaling or exploring other passive income streams. Automation tools can help you expand without extra effort. Tools like Zapier or Make can connect apps, automate tasks, and streamline processes. For instance, you could have an AI tool generating content, another one posting it on social media, and yet another tracking leads and sales. The moment you set this up, your system works around the clock. The key is consistency and smart planning. Even a few hours spent up front can save you weeks of work in the future, and the passive income starts flowing naturally. Mand is another AI-friendly passive income strategy. This is especially powerful for beginners because you don't need inventory, shipping, or a big upfront investment. AI can design graphics for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and other products. Platforms like Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble handle the rest. You just upload the designs and promote your store. Every sale brings profit without you touching a single product. With AI tools, you can even analyze trends, predict what designs are likely to sell, and adapt your store for maximum profit. Print-on-demand is another AI-friendly passive income strategy. This is especially powerful for beginners because you don't need inventory, shipping, or a big upfront investment. AI can design graphics for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and other products. Platforms like Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble handle the rest. You just upload the designs and promote your store. Every sale brings profit without you touching a single product. With AI tools, you can even analyze trends, predict what designs are likely to sell, and adapt your store for maximum profit. Real estate. Investing is no longer limited to owning physical property. In 2026, AI and online platforms make it possible to invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts, and manage rental properties with smart automation. AI can help you find high-potential properties, calculate ROI, and even manage tenants through automated systems. The best part is you earn rental income without dealing with the usual headaches of property management. Combining this with dividend-paying stocks or ETFs gives you multiple streams of truly passive income. Nef. You want to maximize your profits. Combining multiple AI passive income streams is the ultimate approach. For instance, you could have a print and dance store running alongside an AI-driven YouTube channel, while also investing in dividend stocks and REITs. Each stream may start small, but together, they create a diversified, stable source of income that grows steadily over time. This is exactly the kind of strategy finance and wealth advocates. Smart, automated, and future-proof.
Before we wrap up, let's talk about the mindset that makes all of this possible. Passive income doesn't mean zero work. It means smart work upfront to create systems that generate money over time. The key is patience, consistency, and willingness to leverage new technologies. AI tools are constantly evolving, so staying updated and experimenting with new platforms is essential. Dan TB. Afraid to start small. Even one AI-generated product or one automated campaign can grow into something substantial over time. Now, if you've found this video helpful, don't just watch and move on. Drop a comment below sharing which AI income strategy excites you the most. Share this video with friends or family who are curious about making money in 2026. The more you engage, the more you learn, and the more opportunities you unlock. Remember, the future of passive income is here, and finance and wealth is here to guide you every step of the way. So, take action today. Start exploring these AI tools, create your first product, or set up your first automated system. The sooner you start, the sooner you can experience the freedom that comes with true passive income. And remember, your journey doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to start.